How to see who subscribed you on YouTube. Let's get started. Launch your YouTube. You will land to the home page. Now at the top right corner, you will find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. Different options will appear. Click on the option of YouTube Studio. After you open the option of YouTube Studio, you will land to this kind of page. Navigate to the option of Dashboard. You will land to this page. Scrolling down, you will find this section of recent subscribers. Now from here, you can easily check who have subscribed to your YouTube channel. Just go ahead and click on See All. Now in this page, you're going to find your subscriber list. Clicking on this drop down, you can see 7 days subscriber. Likewise, you can find out who have subscribed you within 28 days, 90 days, 365 days. And if you want to view all of your subscribers, set it to lifetime. So this is how you can easily check who subscribed to you on your YouTube channel. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.